Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you work in a mechanical trade or you're a DIYer or you just like to know how things work, this book is a must-have. This is the Audel Mechanical Trades Pocket Manual, and this book is really amazing. So we keep this in our workshop because my husband does a lot of different projects in all kinds of different areas, from machining to welding to woodworking, and just fixing everything in between. So he uses this a lot as a reference. And let me tell you, this thing is amazing. It is such a great tool to have to be able to understand how things work. It covers so many topics, and it has diagrams and very clear explanations of everything. So I have learned a lot just from looking through this book. He uses it a lot for reference, and it really is an excellent tool as a reference when you are trying to learn how things work, how they go together, how to troubleshoot things. So definitely a great tool for anyone working in a mechanical trade or a hobbyist mechanical trade person. So I would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.